What's up everyone, this is your homegirl Kari and welcome back to another week of Halloween makeup. Today I'm going to be doing the storm makeup from X-Men. I got inspired by this picture on Pinterest and I hope you guys like it. If you want to know how to get this done, just keep watching. So first I'm going to go in with this palette from Morphe. Unfortunately it's discontinued, but I'm pretty sure that you can still do this look with the James Charles palette if you have it, or any other rainbow palette that you have. I'm going to start with the soft blue and I'm going to put it all over my crease, blow it out as much as possible. Then I'm going in with this blue jean shade with a smaller blending brush and I'm going to put this lower on the crease right in the center. Now with this dark blue, I'm going to put it all over the lid. Going back with the blue shade, I'm going to go ahead and blend this, and I'm also going to bring it down to the lower lid and out on my temples as well. And then going back with the blue jean shade again, I'm going to put this closer to my lash line and also connecting it on the corner. Now with this topper from Milani, I'm going to put it all over the lid and also on the lower lash line. Using this holographic shade from Colourpop, I'm going to use this on the inner corner. And I'm also going to put it under the brow and also out on my temples. Now with this black color, I'm going to put this on the top lash line just like if it was an eyeliner. And I'm going to put mascara on the lower lashes. And I'm also going to put my lashes off camera. You can use any lashes of your choice. Going in with this white eyeliner from NYX, I'm going to start doing the flashes of light. And I'm also going to go in with like a glitter gray to also go over it. And here in the video you can't really see it on camera, but in person you can see it and it glitters very nicely. I'm also going to put the flashes of light on the inner corner. I thought that the look did it a little bit more, so I did the same thing as the temples but on the inner corner. Now with this gray shimmery shade from Juvia's Place, I'm going to go ahead and put this all over my forehead. Just to add a little bit more of that storm vibe. Instead of using a regular bronzer, I'm going to use this shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to put this on the hollows of my cheek. For blush, I'm going to go back with the Juvia's Place palette. And I'm going to use the same shade that I used on my forehead. I'm also going to go in with a highlighter from Colourpop using the palette Innuendo. If you go back to my picture, all the products are listed there. And lastly, I'm going in with this mauve lipstick from Colourpop. It's called Sitting Pretty, and that completes the look. And this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like and share it. Thank you. Bye.